Marhaban bika. Akwalebe, you are welcome to Safolo Bafo Televi. Today we are going to make shawarma, Arabic dish. To make shawarma, you need chicken or kawalil or golutul. Well, listen, you need to sharpen your knife first if it is not sharply. We are going to cut it into slices. Make it slowly, you don't cut it in your hands. Thank you for watching Safolo Buffalo Television. Greetings to all my brothers in Middle East. After cutting it into slices like this, you need ingredients like this. You will need chili powder, rosemary, salt, cloves, onion, garlic, ginger, yogurt, lemon. After putting all the ingredients into the blender, add your yogurt. Please don't put all the yogurt inside. Leave some so that you go drink. Add half the lemon to it. Don't add one. Please add only half of the lemon. Don't add all. After that, add water. Don't add too much water. We want it to make thick. After that, blend it very smoothly. After blending it, we are going to put it inside a plastic. When you finish, add little oil to it. After adding the oil to it, bonopo tie it and put it in the fridge and leave it overnight. If you would like to use it on the same day, then keep it for 4 hours. After putting in your fridge, enjoy your yogurt. On the next day, I am removing it from the fridge to continue the journey. Now remove it from the plastic and put it in the glass. If you don't have shawarma merry-go-round, then use your own style. Use chinchingaba and onion. Shawarma is a dish in the Middle East cuisine. Usually, it consists of meat cut into thin slices. But today's shawarma may also be chicken or turkey. Add little oil on the tray. And then masusiso boko. Please, if today is your first little time of watching Safolo Television, please subscribe for me. Shawarma is one of the world's most popular street foods, especially in Egypt. When you finish, then you taste it. It was nicely, oh, nicely. Oh, I didn't wash me. It is very hot, Lulu. Oh, where is water? There is no water. Oh, very nicely. Thank you for watching once again. Please subscribe, like,